Hey, what's up YouTube? I just want to do a quick review on some chili sauce that my family has been enjoying. This is the chili garlic sauce, and this is by Hong Fong Foods, okay? And this was the one with the chicken on it. And this is very good. As you can see, we almost ate all of it. And now we're just doing a review after we've been using it. And it's a delicious, it makes your food very delicious. So it says great on stir fries and ready to use on pasta, meats, and sauces. And the ingredients are pretty simple, as you can see: chili, salt, garlic, and some other items. But it's very limited on the ingredients, so it's just mostly just chili and garlic, and it's very very good. I actually found out about this at a Chinese restaurant. They have this on a table, kind of like a Panda Express, right? And it makes the food like very spicy. As far as spiciness level, I say if 1 to 10, I would give it maybe an 8, 7 or 8. Okay, it's not like 10. It's not like the Mexican habanero hot sauce, where the habanero peppers are very very hot. So this would be suitable for everyone, I think. This is a very hot sauce, but it's not that hot. So I believe everyone is gonna like it. And when you're using it, like, don't put too much. Just put like half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, and it really will spice up your food. And you could use this chili sauce when you're cooking, stir fry, or when you're marinating meats, or you can use it afterwards as a dip to create a just a little spicy dip. So go ahead and check it out. I have a link to Amazon if you want to buy some, and this is very good spicy garlic chili sauce. Thank you for watching.